guys, today's recipe for excellent mutton keema. It is an easy way to make a flavorful filling meal. It is an incredible juicy, softy and tender that will make you fall in love with instantly. I have taken 250 grams of chopped mutton and should first be marinated in salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, ginger garlic paste, cumin powder and coriander powder. Then it should be given a 1 hour break. That time, cut some tomato, onion and green chili. Then grab a pan, add oil and whole spice with bay leaves. Now add the chopped onion and fry it until its color changes brown. Next, after adding salt to taste and add tomato and green chili. After cooking all the ingredients along with the spice powder and ginger garlic paste, then cooked after adding some potato chunks. Then include marinated mutton. It will take 1 hour to complete the process. Carefully cook all the ingredients while covering it. Mutton keema also has a certain health benefits, so eating a bowl of it once or twice a month is fine. After bringing it to a perfect boil and preparing it for serving. Now it's ready and I added some kasturi methi and garam masala for a good flavor. Enjoy this keema recipe with your chapati, rice and bread. If you enjoyed watching my video and would want to see more of my recipe, then please click the thumbs up, comment and subscribe to my channel.